We're here with the Master Kim Says Show, a show on leg strength, how to strengthen your legs, and he's going to talk about it right now.
Okay, today this exercise for build up your leg strength and detox, good blood flow, and concentration.
Yes, sir.
Okay, first of all, this one, gung deep front stance. Basically, you hold the hip tin between hip tin and 30 seconds. Okay, so I hold on about 15 seconds. Then you have to front very deep, bending 90 degree, your back 45 degree angles, right? Then your upper body straight up, then relax, see your front right. Okay, this is to your right side. I change leg to left side. Same thing, you 90 degree bending knee, 45 degree angle. Okay, upper body straight up, relax, focus on hip tin, 30 seconds, hold on. This is really good. Concentration, leg strength, good blood flow, detox. Okay, I hold each 15 seconds. Then we go back. Lot of South in Kung Fu practice this deep horse stance, Ma-bo. Ma-bo same thing, between hold 15 and 30 seconds. Ma-bo is your hip go into and you go upper body straight up as possible as you can, bending knee very deep. Then this is about twice, 1.5 or twice shoulder wide, right? Then leg put this position straight forward, and your side go into a little bit closer, okay? Then completely, this is a perfect position. More deep is very high level foundation, but you start very shallow, start beginning, then whenever you get used to that, you more deep. This position is perfect position, right? That's hip tin between 30 seconds. Okay, then we moving on, one leg deep horse stance, like to yoga stance, but same thing, about hold between hip tin 30 seconds, then you got this is eagle, the style postures, eagle postures, if you get used to that, right? You put in 30 seconds, same thing. Right side, same thing. About, go. First ball, hold on, about 10 seconds, then go back, hold, eagle crow postures. Okay, I show back, you have make back. Hold, see, back postures. This is a gung first of all. You can see my postures. As possible as you can, my body straight up, hold 15, 30 seconds. Right? That's the left side. Then right side, same thing. See my back, here, see. More deep, there's more foundation. But start very shallow, right? And deep. Okay, deep horse stance, same thing. Open shoulder wide, but twice. Where your hip is not go out, go in, body straight up. You have to, as fast as you can, tip down. This is very high level, but start to very shallow. Okay, beginner shallow. And whenever you get used to that, you go deep. Right? Now he go into. Then one leg deep posture, same thing. Flow start here, then go flow. eagle crow posture. Eagle style. Then same thing. 10 seconds. Yeah. Okay, if you get done, now we're moving forward to leg strength, the balance, moving forward, hold on the 10, 15 or 30 seconds, whatever, right? This is a whole leg strength. Then other side, same thing, the leg straight up, 10 between 30 seconds. Okay, now this is low stance, low stance eagle style, low stance posture. Then this is left side, hold about 5 between 10 seconds. Then right side, hold 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, then you have to exercise moving around the right left side, moving around. This is more leg conditional, completely knee and foot, everything perfect exercise. Around 20 times. Okay, you can use that. You get leg lifted up. This is very difficult. You can use that about hold 10 seconds, between 15 seconds. Okay, then other side same thing. Complete concentration. Leg lifted up, low section, right? About 10, 15 seconds. Okay, then you get that. Then this is basically Shaolin Kung Fu drunken style. Usually leg strength to about down forward. Right? I just show 3 times each side. This is a drunken style to about the broken rhythm, the exercise drill require leg strength. The left side, I got right side, right? About complete down for 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then we practice dog walk. Dog walk is very good. Detox, good blood flow, and leg strength. I dog walk from to about 6 foot walks. 6 foot walk. Then back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, 3 times. 1. Basically, you have to 1 time. But if you can use that, you have about 3 repetitions. It's very good blood flow, detox, leg strength. So basically, Shaolin Kung Fu, practice every day, 30 minutes, build up the dog walk, build up leg strength, this exercise. Okay, today I show to you how to exercise to leg strength and good blood flow, detox, concentration.
Thank you. We're here at Master Kim to do the Master Kim Says show, and we're going to do a show on the power of the fist and speed of the fist and how to strengthen your fist. Hi, Master Kim, how you doing?
I'm fine. Today I show to you the exercise for fist strength, speed and power. Okay, first step I show fist strength. You need to first of all push up first. That is to horizontal the two arm, and we try to do 10 times the pull. Straight forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then we get done. Second, the technique exercise to one hand fist. Try each 5 times. Okay. Then we got it. Then we go jumping push-up in moving back forward. First of all, we have a vertical fist positions. Okay, vertical fist. Moving back. Okay, now I'm moving forward. Okay, this vertical position, then you got horizontal positions, because you got build all 4 knuckles, 1, 2, 3, 4 knuckles. Okay, this balance. Then now to horizontal, moving back forward. Okay, you get done. Now you have to one fist jumping push-up. Okay, each 5 times. Then second step, you have to open your weight. Weight first open, then you go try way down. Around 10 times. Okay, break down a little bit. Then we got one fist again.
Great. Okay, here we are with Master Kim, the Master Kim Says show on the power of the fist and speedness and strengthening your fist. Hi.
Okay, now second step, you have to how to make a speed in the air. I show first of all in fist strength. Now we're talking about first fist speed. Okay, we got
Speed of
3
the
ways
fist.
about punch, old-fashioned Dang Sudo, Karate, Taekwondo style punch. This is waist. Okay, then all forward maximize about 100 times. Today I show 20 times in the air. Okay, now Wing Chun, waist This is the difference between Chinese Wing Chun, Dang Sudo Kung Fu. It's waist level. Waist here, Taekwondo Dang Sudo. Karate. Okay, this is Wing Chun. Okay, I train times. It's this vertical punch. You have the extension completely. Okay. Then we got down forward punch. Down forward. This is aim down forward. Okay. Aim side punch. Horizon. It's very important for coordination. Upper side, upper line. Complete extension your arms. And the backward, back side. Okay, then we got Western boxing style. Boxing style try to build a first of all one hand hook. Hook is complete whole body turning, whole body turning, right? Hold your weight, turn, weight, hold power weight, weight, both sides, same thing. Go into, out into, out into. Okay. Then we practice about uppercut. Uppercut is to stand forward 45 angle. 45 angle. Uppercut. Same thing. Uppercut. Okay. Now back fist. Back fist 45 angle. This back fist line. Back fist. Either side, back fist. Okay. Now in coordination, hook, back fist, uppercut, three punch. Right? Hook, back fist, uppercut, three punch.
Great.